What's up guys, today's video is on the best camping gear of 2022. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Number 5. Camp Chef Rainier 2X. Of all the tested units, this grill stove combo is one of the most well-built. While all that extra metal comes with the price of a few extra pounds, if you are looking for a unit that will stand up to the rigors of camping for years to come, this is the stove for you. Even in a stiff breeze, the wind flaps worked well to keep an even flame, and they conveniently locked in place with the stove's side latches. These were a nice improvement over some of the small clips of the other units. The non-stick cooking surfaces are easy to clean, and the area under the grill is fully enclosed and smooth, with no nooks or corners, which makes it easy to wipe out with just a paper towel or two. Cooking breakfast, toasting bread, and even grilling burgers and onions on the included flat-top griddle is a breeze. The included carry bag makes transporting the stove easy and makes a handy spot to store the griddle when not in use. While a slide-out grease tray would make for easier cleanup, it only took a few minutes to wipe out the smooth chamber below the grill grates. Key features: includes both non-stick grill and flat-top griddle inserts, combined 18,000 BTS/hour for both burners, push-button ignition, 3-sided windscreen, holds up to a 10 inches pot on burner, carry bag. Why it made the cut: the grill portion of the heavy-duty Camp Chef Rainier 2X heats evenly and has a non-stick cooking surface. Pros: extremely versatile unit, included griddle surface, carrying case keeps all parts packed together, consistent performance even in windy conditions, heavy-duty stove top surface handles the weight of a full pot of water. Cons: heaviest unit tested, no channel for grease to drain from griddle. Number 4. Stoic Portable Camp Kitchen Island. This all-in-one kitchenette with lots of bells and whistles won our test for the best camp kitchens. The writer especially appreciated the movable overhead hooks that could hang rags or pots, pans, which, to her delight, could be used to hang a water reservoir above the sink for dishwashing. She found the sink to be generously sized with an integrated hose for draining, which made for easy dishwashing and disposal of gray water. The under-the-counter removable mesh shelf was also a perfect dish drying and storage area that kept spent dishes out of the way. The writer had no problem storing pots and pans, plates and dishes in the side compartments, and noted they could also be used as a food pantry. In addition, the lantern pole accessory is handy for hanging a camping light for sunrise and sunset and kitchen duties. Even though it boasts 63 inches of workspace, there was less real estate compared to other kitchens in the test. Once a 2-burner camp stove was set up next to the integrated sink, it only left 20 inches of prep area on the 2 non-slotted side tables. Key features: included carrying case, 23 pounds, aluminum components, includes integrated sink, lantern pole, overhead hooks, zippered pantry, dish drying net, trash bin. Why it made the cut: this camp kitchen had many of the comforts of home while also being compact and comparatively inexpensive. Pros: strong aluminum frame construction and non-slotted tabletop for food prep. Collapsible design stores easily in durable canvas carrying case. Multi-purpose features, including sink and drain. Cons: limited counter space for food prep. No paper instructions for setup, but fairly intuitive to figure out. Takes about 9 minutes to set up. Number 3. Sea to Summit Comfort Deluxe Self-Inflating Sleeping Mat. Out of all of the best camping mattresses for couples that I tested, the Sea to Summit Comfort Deluxe came closest to the feel of my mattress at home. Its 4 inches of foam not only made this pad super cushy but also provided substantial warmth. The 6.5R rating here was more than enough to protect me from the cold of the ground while sleeping outside in temps that fell to the 40 seconds, which is why it's a no-brainer pick when it comes to the best camping gear. I also appreciated that I was able to inflate this camping mattress to my preferred level of firmness after the self-inflation period was complete. Like all self-inflating mattresses, it's best to keep your expectations low the first time you try to inflate. During testing, the Sea to Summit Comfort Deluxe did not inflate at all when left open for an hour, typical for self-inflating mattresses during the first use and after lengthy storage periods. Subsequent attempts to allow the air mattress to self-inflate went much better, but still expect to do some significant top-off. The valve for the Comfort Deluxe is also somewhat confusing if you are used to the valves seen on their air sleeping pads. The valve that I thought I was supposed to use to dump out all the air from the mattress was in fact the valve to self-inflate. To deflate the mattress, I had to open the self-inflate valve, flip the toggle around to the side that said deflate, and then reattach it to the valve. but once you get the hang of the setup, this one comes together surprisingly fast for a self-inflating sleeping pad. The dimensions of the Sea to Summit Comfort Deluxe when rolled up are significant. This pad was as big as the 8-person tents that I tested on the same trip. It is also recommended that you store this pad inflated at home to maximize its lifespan, which can be difficult for anyone with limited storage space. Key features: R rating 6.5, height 4 inches, weight 9 pounds 13 ounces, size 51 inches x 79 inches, shell fabric 30D polyester upper, 75D polyester base, pack size 27 inches x 9 inches, lifetime warranty. Why it made the cut: the Sea to Summit Comfort Deluxe was so cushy that I actually forgot I was sleeping on a camping mattress. Pros: extremely comfortable. 1. Durable. Cons: expensive, bulky, confusing valve design. Number 2. ENO DoubleNest. ENO's DoubleNest was easily the most straightforward camping hammock to hang up that I tested when reviewing the best camping hammocks. Like other models, the instructions were minimal and easily fitted on a hang tag tucked inside the stuff pouch, yet they were also specific enough, including details about diagonal lay and the correct angle of the suspension system, to provide this first-time user with enough information to get the most out of the hammock. The fabric of the DoubleNest is thicker than the others I tested, and that durability increased my confidence in the hammock's support. Once I sat down and swung my legs inside, I was surprised at how comfortable and secure I felt. The DoubleNest had the smallest profile of the best camping hammock picks, and it would easily fit into a daypack for someone looking to lounge and enjoy the view at their destination. Key features: weight 19 ounces, weight limit 400 pounds, dimensions 9 feet 6 inches x 6 feet 4 inches, suspension straps not included, material 70D nylon. Why it made the cut: clear instructions combined with durable fabric and a wide profile make this our pick for the best camping hammock. Pros: durable material, easy setup. Cons: comparatively low weight limit for a 2-person hammock. Number 1. A great family tent is one that provides enough space for everyone to spread out and provide a lot of protection. The Eureka Copper Canyon LX8 does both, and also at a cost that is half of what you'll find for some other tents. Despite the strong winds and intermittent rain that struck during testing, the Copper Canyon LX8 bounced back quickly without damaging the fiberglass poles. At one point, the rainfly came unattached at a corner, but after a member of the testing group resecured it with the provided Velcro tabs, it wasn't a problem, and the rainfly turned out to be plenty of protection against overnight rain once the windows were zippered up. Even better, the ceiling height combined with the near vertical walls on this one made it easy for the 6 feet 1 inch member of the family to walk around without having to stoop at the edges. The only downside to this tent is that it is an unusually complicated setup. 3 fiberglass poles crisscross the ceiling and then connect to 6 steel poles at each end to form the walls. The directions for this were reasonably easy to follow. It just took a while. While I was able to set up the body of this tent by myself, a second person was needed to add the rainfly. Key features: dimensions 13 feet x 10 feet, height 7 feet, weight 33.5 pounds, holes 10, pack size 11 inches x 29 inches, doors 2, windows 6. Why it made the cut: a spacious interior and great weather durability made this the best family tent I tested for camping. Pros: great livable space on the interior, withstood both rain and wind on the testing trip. Lots of doors and windows. Cons: complicated setup, heavy. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.